Friends, welcome to Abhivakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Quantitative Aptitude, we are going to see few more questions from percentage. Here again, we are not using any formula to solve the questions, so that it makes easy to understand the tricks and tips for solving the percentage sums. Welcome to Excel in PO exams. Here is the first question on the screen, that Arun got 30% of marks in an exam and failed by 10 marks. However, Sujit, who took the same examination and got 40% marks and got 15 marks more than the passing marks. What were the passing marks in the examination? So friends, the passing marks, we do not know what are the passing marks. But Arun, who got 30% marks, and got 10 marks less than that of the passing marks. But to the other hand, Sujit, who got 40% marks and 15 marks more than the passing marks. So if you see the difference between these two marks, minus 10 and plus 15, this difference will be 25. And the difference between the percentage, 40% and 30%, that difference is 10%. So this shows that 10% is equal to 25 marks. So we can write that 10% is equal to 25. So what will be then 100%? 100% will be equal to 250 marks. So 100% is 250 marks. That is the maximum marks are 250. Now we have to find the passing marks. 250 are the passing marks. Out of that, 30% is a failing with 10 marks less. Correct? So first we will find the 30% of 250. So 30% of 250, that is 30 by 100 into 250. So that comes to 75. But 75 are less by 10 marks than that of the passing marks. So if you add 10 marks to it, then 85 will be the passing marks. So what are the passing marks in this case? So the passing marks will be 85. Friends, here is the another question on the screen, that as student has to obtain 33% of the total marks to pass, he got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. So he got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. It means that passing marks that will be equal to 125 plus 40, that is equal to 165. So 165 are the passing marks. It means for 100 marks, the passing mark is what? 33 marks. So this we can write as if the 33 are passing marks, then the total marks, that is maximum marks, will be 100. But if the passing marks are 165, then what will be the maximum marks? We cross multiply these numbers and divide by the first number. So it will be 165 multiplied by 100 divided by 33, and this will be equal to 500. So 500 is the maximum marks in this case. If you take the 33% of 500, you will get 165 as the passing mark. If you subtract 40, you will get 125 marks that the student has got. Here is the another question on the screen. The age of B is 60% more than the age of A. The age of C is 25% less than the age of B. Then by what percent the age of C is more than that of A? So first let us take that A's age be 100. We are not using any formula. So let A's age be 100. So B's age will be what? It is 60% more than the A's age. So 60% more. So it will be plus 60. So 60% of 100 will be 60. And so B's age will be 160. But what is the relation between C and B? That C is 25% less than the age of B. Age of B is 160. So C is 25% less. So it will be minus 25%. So 25% of 160, 10% will be 16. Another 10% will be 16, and 5% will be half of 16, that is 8, and this total comes to 40. So this will be minus 40. So 160 minus 40, that will be 120. So A is 100. If A is 100, B will be 160 and C will be 120. So in a percentage, what is the relation between A and C? C is 20 years more than that of A, and it means that it is 20% more. So the age of C is 20% more than that of A. Friends, here are few more videos we are suggesting you. So click the links, that percentage tips and tricks part 1, percentage tips and tricks part 2, percentage tips and tricks part 3, test of reasoning, sitting arrangement from reasoning section, and friends, visit us at www.excelinpoexams.in. I hope you might have enjoyed this episode. If you have enjoyed, like it, subscribe it, so that you will get the updates right in your mailbox, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.